This is video number 3 for checkpoint quiz 11.10. Problem number 3. Find the rectangular equation from the plane curve defined by the parametric equations. X is 3t minus 1, y is t squared plus 4 over the region from negative 5 less than or equal to t less than or equal to positive 5. In a problem of this type, you want to take one of the equations and solve for t and substitute it into the second equation. For example, if we take x is 3t minus 1 and solve that equation for t, we get 3t is equal to x plus 1. Dividing both sides by 3, we get t is x plus 1 all divided by 3. Next step, we want to substitute into the equation defined by y. Y is t squared plus 4, and substituting that value of t, we get parentheses x plus 1 all over 3, and parentheses squared plus 4. And now it's just a matter of simplifying that equation a bit. We can write y as x plus 1 quantity squared divided by 9 plus 4. In other words, y is 1/9 times the quantity x plus 1 squared and then plus 4. And if we look at that, we can tell this equation defines a parabola that opens upward because of that quantity a being greater than 0. And since that a is 1/9, that's going to turn out to be a compression in the y direction. This parabola will open wider than the normal x squared graph. We also know the vertex is at negative 1, 4. The parabola has been shifted 1 unit left and 4 units up and then compressed by a factor of 1/9. At x equal negative 1, this forms the line of symmetry. We know the vertex is on that line of symmetry. This is what the graph looks like. We know that this is a parabola that opens upward, and the vertex is at the point negative 1, 4. That means that the line of symmetry is at x equal negative 1, and then we also know the vertex lies on that line of symmetry at the point negative 1, 4. We can find another point to help us graph this. We can find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is found by setting x equal to 0. When we set x equal to 0, we find y is 4 1/9. And we can get our third point by using symmetry. We know that the y-intercept is 1 unit away from the line of symmetry. So on the other side of the line of symmetry, 1 unit away, we would find the point negative 2, 4 1/9. Let's look at the values that t is taking on. T is going from negative 5 to positive 5. And if we know x is 3t minus 1, then at t equal negative 5, x is 3 times negative 5 minus 1. X is negative 16. And then at t equal positive 5, x is 3 times 5 minus 1, x is 14. The rectangular equation determined by this set of parametric equations is the parabola y equal 1/9 x plus 1 squared plus 4 over the region negative 16 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 14.